This question says the length of a simple pendulum is increased by 1%, its time period will. Time period of a simple pendulum is given by 2 pi root L by G, right? Where G is acceleration due to gravity. Now if the length changes, G is constant, I need to find how does the time period change. So I can just use delta T. So this can be written as T equal to 2 pi L by G power half. Everything else is constant, T equal to K L power half. Differentiate it, I'll get dt equal to K into half into L power minus 1 by 2. I want to find dt by T, that is equal to K L power half. So I'll get dt by T. Fractional change is equal to how much? K cancel. I'll be left with half. L per half and L per minus half. Of course, we have a delta L here. So this will be delta L by L. So I'll get percentage change is dt by T into 100 equal to half into delta L or dl by L into 100. So this is percentage change in L, this is percentage change in T. So I can write percentage change in T equal to half of percentage change in L. Now here the length of the simple pendulum increased by 1%. So if it is increased by 1%, T would increase by 0.5%. Because it's positive, it is increasing. If it is negative, it would have been decreasing. So the answer is percentage increase in T equal to 0.5 into 1, that is 0.5%. So the answer for this question is B. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.